Just an update from edgeholdings.com. You can go check it out. This is the URL for this one. So this is the new woofer that's going to show up in about March. So it's got the nice JL molding. Looks like a dish carbon fiber cap. This is basically the Audio Legion. Was it? Fuck, I forgot. Is it Armor? What is it? Armada. So, which is a 600 RMS, 1200 watt peak. So that's their version. So let me go back to Edge. This one. So I think this was a much nicer looking woofer, and I think it's really going to make a big impact. I'm hoping that this is going to be easy to debadge. You can see the back of it. That's easy to pull off, and hope that there's no more badging. But looks like there's something on the frame. Doesn't really show it. So not too bad. So I think you could probably make them pass at first glance. Oh, there it is. So we can change that out. We can change the gasket out to get you a blank one. So again, I'm rooting for them to import white box stuff, and maybe if these are popular enough, they will do that. So, or maybe they'll put it on me where they go, well, why don't you order them on your own? I'm like, well, I can probably get them from another vendor for cheaper. But I like the idea of importing white box stuff. And then you can go look at some of their other car audio stuff. I like this one, the RPM 265, and then the 3-way version. And then they got some BMW stuff they're going to be importing. So that's the mids, and then here's the underseat subwoofers that you probably know. So again, this is all Larry F, and he's been sitting on a lot of these designs for years until they could have the money in order to be able to tool this stuff up. So check it out, edgeholdings.com. That's the parent company to Recoil Audio. And I love you guys. I will talk to you later.